Thank God you're a man and have a beer is the long-standing tagline of Gold Star, the leading beer brand in Israel. In the new campaign, we wanted to give men another reason to be grateful for being men. Gold Star presents Gold Star Park Fight, the ultimate challenge that'll determine once and for all who parks better, women or men. In order to start a conversation around the question, we created a fictional character, Oded the Parking Guy. Oded presented himself as a professional parking serviceman who caters mostly to women. To promote his newly launched business, Oded produced a self-promotion video, a viral, an internet site, radio commercials, flyers, and posters. Oded the Parking Guy was a full-blown business. Only 24 hours after Oded's campaign launched, all the major news channels were after him. They were all intrigued by his ingenious initiative. On the other hand, there were some ladies who didn't really dig the whole thing. Following the raging reactions, banners appeared across the web calling those angry women to prove that they could park better than men. The banners directed men and women to Gold Star's Park Fight, a branded Facebook application built as a parking simulator, programmed to resolve the question, who parks better, men or women? The Facebook Park Fight application broke all possible Facebook records in Israel. In just 2 days, more than 275,000 users installed the application and more than 4 million games were played. In under a week, Park Fight became the most popular Facebook app ever created in Israel and was ranked among the top 10 most popular apps in the world. So, you want to guess who won the parking battle of the sexes? Thank God you're a man. Have a Gold Star.